No medicine, no expensive cosmetics, just one glass of this drink every morning. And even at 60 years old, my mother is still full of energy with radiant skin, a healthy liver, and clear blood circulation. Today, I will share 3 types of miracle detox drinks that help cleanse the body, flush toxins, purify the liver and blood vessels, giving you radiant skin, a lighter body, and renewed energy every day. Stay until the end of the video to discover them all with me. Here's everything we'll need: carrot, beetroot, lemon, cucumber, ginger, tomato, and cilantro. First, wash all the ingredients thoroughly to remove dirt and preserve their natural nutrients. The best part. This recipe is incredibly simple, no fancy equipment or rare ingredients required. With just a few minutes each day, you can easily prepare a natural detox drink that's both delicious and refreshing, helping your body feel lighter, cleaner, and more energized. After washing, peel and cut the carrots into small pieces. Though simple and familiar, carrots are truly a nutritional treasure for overall health. They're rich in fiber, which supports smooth digestion, and packed with vitamin A and beta-carotene, 2 key nutrients that help protect eyesight, brighten skin, and slow down natural aging. Carrots also contain powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, cleanse the liver and blood vessels, and flush out long-term toxins from the body. With regular use, you'll soon notice smoother skin, better digestion, and a sense of renewed energy and vitality every day. Next is cilantro pat. The leaves dry before chopping them finely. Though often overlooked, cilantro is truly a silent star among herbs. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants, which help strengthen immunity and slow down oxidative damage. Cilantro also supports liver and kidney function, acting as a gentle natural detoxifier that helps eliminate excess fluids and toxins from the body. With regular use, you'll feel lighter, cleaner, and more refreshed in just a few days. Have you ever tried adding a few sprigs of cilantro to your morning smoothie? Give it a try and feel the difference, or share your experience with Mary in the comments below. Next, we move on to 2 powerful ingredients: ginger and beetroot, the golden duo in natural detox recipes that help reduce inflammation, boost energy, and restore vitality from within. Start with ginger. You'll only need a small piece thinly sliced. Don't underestimate this little root, it carries remarkable healing power. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that help ease joint pain, reduce swelling, and stimulate blood circulation. When your body is gently warmed from the inside, your digestion improves. Nutrient absorption increases and energy flows more efficiently, leaving you feeling light, alert, and full of vitality. Now, let's add beetroot, known as the best friend of the liver and heart. Peel and cut the beetroot into small pieces before use. This vibrant root is famous for its ability to cleanse the liver, boost circulation, and support red blood cell production thanks to its rich content of iron, folate, and powerful antioxidants. Drinking beetroot juice regularly helps brighten your complexion, reduce fatigue, and improve cardiovascular function. When combined with ginger, this formula becomes a true detox powerhouse, helping the body eliminate toxins faster, increase oxygen levels in the blood, and bring a sense of freshness, vitality, and lasting energy throughout the day. Once all the ingredients are ready, it's time to make our first detox blend. Add the carrot, cilantro, ginger, and beetroot into a blender. Pour in about 500 milliliters of filtered water and blend until smooth and well combined. Then use a fine strainer or clean cloth to filter out the pulp, and there you have it, a refreshing, delicious detox drink that helps your body feel light, energized, and rejuvenated all day long. For thousands of years, civilizations like Egypt, India, Greece, and Japan have practiced natural detox methods using lemon, ginger, and herbs to cleanse the liver and kidneys, improve digestion, and preserve health and vitality. This timeless wisdom reminds us that nature often holds the simplest and most powerful remedies for lasting wellness. The usage is simple. Drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach and continue consistently for 3 weeks. Within a short time, you'll start to feel the difference. Your body becomes lighter, digestion improves, and your skin looks naturally radiant and healthy. You can store the drink in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, so preparing a batch in advance will save you time. Sometimes staying healthy doesn't require drastic changes. Just one small daily habit, like drinking a glass of natural detox water, can make a big difference for both your body and mind. Good health always begins with the simplest things, and every sip of this drink is the first step toward that journey. Now, let's move on to the second recipe, a perfect combination of carrot, cucumber, lemon, and ginger. And yes, carrot makes another appearance because it's simply too good to leave out. Beyond its well-known benefits for glowing skin, carrot is also a natural energy booster that helps detoxify the liver, support vision, and strengthen the immune system, keeping your body healthy and full of vitality every day. Next, we have cucumber, a simple yet powerful fruit that's made up of over 90% water, making it an excellent natural hydrator and detoxifier. Cucumber helps cool the body, flush out toxins, and maintain healthy blood pressure. It's also rich in potassium and magnesium, which help regulate heart rhythm, support circulation, and soothe the body on hot or tiring days. Thanks to its refreshing and cooling nature, cucumber also helps reduce puffiness, hydrate the skin, and promote a fresh, radiant glow, giving you a sense of lightness and balance from the inside out. And, of course, we can't skip fresh lemon, often called the golden fruit of health. Just half a lemon is enough to deliver incredible benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, stimulates digestion, and supports natural fat burning. Its refreshing tartness helps wake up the body each morning, leaving you feeling refreshed, light, and full of energy to start the day. Naturally, no detox recipe would be complete without ginger. This warming root helps stimulate digestion, improve blood circulation, and reduce inflammation and bloating, all while strengthening your immune system. Together, lemon and ginger create a refreshing, energizing balance that leaves you feeling light, alert, and full of vitality. Add all the ingredients, carrot, cucumber, lemon, and ginger into a blender. Pour in 500 milliliters of water and blend until smooth and well combined. Modern science has also confirmed what traditional wisdom long knew: when the body is properly detoxified, metabolism improves, the skin becomes clearer and healthier, and the mind feels lighter and more energized. Once blended, strain the mixture through a fine sieve or clean cloth to get the purest juice packed with nutrients that support liver cleansing, toxin elimination, and natural skin brightening. Pour it into a glass bottle, store in the refrigerator, and you can keep it fresh and flavorful for up to 2 to 3 days while preserving all the natural goodness. Are you still watching? I'd love to know where you're tuning in from: the US, Canada, or perhaps a beautiful place somewhere else in the world. Leave me a comment below and let me know. It's always amazing to see people from all around the globe coming together to share this journey toward a more natural, healthy lifestyle. As for the remaining mixture, pour it into a clean glass bottle, seal it tightly to preserve its fresh flavor and nutrients, and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 days. Now, back to our detox drink. Simply enjoy one glass in the morning about 3 to 4 times a week for a month. Very soon, you'll begin to feel lighter, more energized, and more balanced. Your skin will glow, your digestion will improve, and your whole body will feel refreshed and full of vitality, the perfect start to every new day. And now, let's move on to the third recipe, made from 3 familiar ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: carrot, lemon, and ripe tomato. First, let's start with carrot, a truly valuable ingredient on the journey toward natural wellness. Beyond strengthening your immune system, carrots are rich in antioxidants that help slow down cellular aging and protect the body from harmful environmental effects. As for lemon, though small, it holds incredible power. Just half a lemon is enough for this recipe. It's naturally refreshing. Acidity doesn't just wake up your body in the morning, it also brightens the skin, lifts your mood, and boosts your immunity day by day. And finally, we have ripe tomatoes, often called the red gems of nature. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the heart, reduce joint inflammation, slow aging, and lower the risk of vascular issues. They're also loaded with vitamins K, potassium, and folate, which strengthen your immune system, nourish your skin for a natural rosy glow, and keep your body vibrant and full of life. Once all the ingredients are ready, add the carrots, lemon, and tomatoes to a blender. Pour in 500 ml of water and blend until smooth. You'll get a bright reddish-orange drink, fresh, flavorful, and bursting with life. This color isn't just beautiful, it's a reflection of the rich nutrients within a combination of carrot, tomato, and lemon, three golden ingredients that work together to detoxify the body, brighten the skin, and strengthen your natural immunity. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain the mixture through a fine mesh or clean cloth to remove the pulp and keep only the most nutrient-rich juice. This simple step makes the drink smoother, lighter, and easier to enjoy while still retaining all its natural goodness. Drink 1 glass a day, ideally in the morning or after a light meal. Within just a few days, you'll begin to notice your skin glowing, your body feeling lighter, your mind clearer, and your energy levels rising, a beautiful way to start every new day. And now I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any natural detox recipes that your family swears by? Share them in the comments, because when we share, we all grow healthier together. The body's like a garden. When cared for gently and consistently, it will always stay healthy, fresh, and full of life. Start each morning with a glass of natural water, a deep breath, and a positive thought. Simple habits that nurture both body and mind. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.